welcome to this video. Have you ever wondered if you can see messages someone unsent on Facebook Messenger? No worry. In this video, I will explain how to view unsent message on Messenger. Basically, there is not any direct option in your Messenger, but you can do this from your settings app. So first of all, you have to open the settings app from your phone. Now tap on this notifications. After that, you can see there is an option by scrolling down, advanced settings. Just tap on advanced settings and you just have to click on this notification history and toggle this on. From now, when a notification will appear in this notification panel, it will save from this history. So unfortunately, there is no guaranteed way to retrieve unsent messages. It's always a good idea to check your notifications promptly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tips. I will see you in the next video.